Hello everyone and welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews on the latest and greatest products in the market. Today, we're diving into the world of teacher appreciation gifts, and I've got something truly special to share with you. Introducing the best teacher appreciation tote bags in bulk available in the market, the Kigeli 6-piece teacher canvas tote bags. These bags are not just your average tote bags. They're a heartfelt gesture packed with practicality and style, perfect for showing your gratitude to the educators who shape our future. Let's talk about what makes these bags stand out from the rest. First up, quantity and variety. With a package containing 6 pieces in 6 different styles, the Kigeli tote bags offer versatility and ample options to suit various preferences. Whether it's for Teacher's Day, graduation, or retirement, you'll have the perfect bag for every occasion. Now, let's talk about design. Each bag is adorned with warm-hearted words and clear patterns, beautifully expressing your sincere gratitude to the teachers who have made a difference in your life. It's more than just a gift, it's a heartfelt thank you. Size matters, especially when it comes to tote bags. These teacher appreciation bags measure approximately 34 by 40 centimeters, providing ample space to store a variety of items, from stationery to clothing. Practicality meets generosity. Durability is key, and the Kigeli tote bags deliver. Made of quality canvas material, these bags are reliable, sturdy, and resistant to tears and wear. The words and patterns are printed with precision, ensuring they won't fade over time. A gift that lasts. Last but not least, let's talk about the perfect gift. Whether it's Teacher's Day, a birthday, Christmas, or any important occasion, these tote bags make an ideal gift choice. Practical, thoughtful, and filled with appreciation, they're sure to bring a smile to any teacher's face. And there you have it, folks. The Kigeli 6-piece teacher canvas tote bags, the best teacher appreciation tote bags in bulk available in the market. Practical, stylish, and heartfelt, they're the perfect way to show your appreciation to the educators who make a difference every day. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews on amazing products like this one. Until next time, happy gifting!